Imagine being one of the first people jumping into something truly epic by publishing tiny heroes riding insects all brought to life by AI. I've done hours of research and nobody else on YouTube or TikTok is making content like this yet. The best part, you can be one of the few people to jump into this niche, which will help you stand out from the crowd. Alright, the first step is to create images from microworld. My niche is macro photography, and I definitely wanted a wide, diverse audience that feels emotionally attached and passionate enough about the topic to watch my videos and engage immediately. I ended up with this prompt, which is very detailed, and your job is to just copy it from the description and paste it to ChatGPT. The bot will give you detailed and precise prompts to generate your images. If you want more prompts, just type "give me more" and you'll get more prompts. After I made my prompts, it's time to create our images for this. I'm gonna head over to Piclumen. This is the best mid-journey alternative, and it's 100% free. Piclumen is an AI image generator powered by Flux that creates high-quality, realistic images. So sign up for free with your Google account and you're in with no limitation. Just go here on the left-hand side where it says create and click it. This will open up a space where you can create your images up here. We'll select the Flux model next to it. We'll choose the 9:6 aspect ratio and then decide how many images we want to generate. I'll select 2. Now we're going to copy our prompt, paste it here in this field, and click generate. Let's fast forward until we finish all the prompts. Let's see the results. They turned out great. I like them. The next step is optional. We will make some pictures, have motion, which will increase engagement on our videos. This will fully satisfy our audience. If you want to stand out, it's a good idea to make an image to video, and for that, we'll use the tool Halo AI. Currently the best tool for image to video. Just sign up in your end. You can generate up to 3 videos per day, which is enough for us, but if you want, can also upgrade the plan for more credits. So click this little box here to upload your image, insert this prompt, and finally click this button here to generate your video. I think the video turned out great. Now it's time to go to our last step, which is to make our video, and we'll do that in CapCut. So open CapCut and import all the videos we downloaded earlier. Start by placing the background music on the timeline, then add your first video. Listen to the music and identify where the rhythm changes. Once identified, adjust the size of the video after you have added all the pictures and videos you have on the timeline, and arrange them according to your taste, starting with the second, third picture, and so on. Then select them all, and we'll enlarge them. And then click the first image on the timeline and head over to animation on the top right corner. And click on combo, then select pendulum 1. You can then play around with the transitions, effects, and animations to make your video stand out. CapCut is an easy video editor even for the beginners. Create amazing video and it's simple to use. Once you are done with your editing, export your video and let's check how the video turned out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.